Okay, so today I am finally going to work on finishing and completing my CNC router table. This thing's been sitting around, probably partially finished since 2020. Like everybody else, we got slow during that time, shut down, so I started working on this, and I actually had it hooked up to my laptop, and had a pulse card that connected to my USB port on my laptop, and I ran the Mach 3 software, and it worked okay. It wasn't bad. It was pretty decent. And then I found this Standalone controller. This thing's made in China, but it's pretty decent. I've already test ran it. It works very well. I don't have a problem missing steps in it. It does do some high-speed pulse signal to the driver. I think these are Wantai drivers. I purchased those on eBay, and got 3 power supplies, one for signal, one to power the digital controller, standalone. This is an offline controller. You just simply load G-code through from your USB drive. You can take it over here, plug it in, and load your geometry code up to run your parts. So that's nice. And then pretty much all of the signals come back to mostly one place, and there is documentation that clearly available in PDF that does clearly mark and label all the signals for motors and limit switches and so forth. So that is a decent way to control your CNC machine. Nothing against Mach. I just don't like the way Windows behaves for controlling real-world machinery. You could buy a standalone version of Windows, I'm sure, that would also be better for running machinery, but there's just too many. Windows tries to run a little too much in the background for my liking, so this standalone controller is great for that. I've added some non-moving part limit switches. These are inductive proximity sensors, 3 wires. They do require a magnet, so I did put some steel clips on here, and the magnets just stick here. You've got to have them the right pole facing the sensor for the sensor to pick it up and turn on and off. And then I'll do some epoxy so I can line this up good with the sensor in, and it'll stay in place. So I'm going to concentrate today on soldering some good cable. I've got some leftover IGES cable, which is designed to go inside cable carrier flex chain, and so I'm going to add that to the system and get the cable carriers mounted back on there, and hopefully fire it up today and test run it. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching.